It's cracking YouTube, man. Back with another video, back with another update on this damn Monte Carlo. So today is the day I decided to open up these T-tops and attack the obvious problem the T-tops have, checking the header panel and everything else, because I'm trying to debate whether to fix the header panel ASAP, man, or just wait on it, because I mean, it ain't even that big of a deal. But after cracking it open, which I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, man, it's actually not as bad as I thought. It's got some kind of, a lot of surface rust, and you know, some of the corner rusted through, but I don't think it's really needing like an immediate replacement. So it may be something I do, hell, maybe a year from now. But let me flip this camera around and show y'all all the rust and what we're working with right now. And then we're gonna just replace the seals, go from there, man. Show y'all some of the other stuff too I done on the whip. But let me flip this camera around. So I actually, like I said, pulled all the rubber out and I'm inspecting it, man. It's actually not as bad as I thought, but in some spots it is a little bad, worse than others. But like I said, I already bought the header panel, but it may be something I replace down the line, because I really ain't in the mode. I feel like I have to at this moment to replace the header. I can just drive it the way I want to. I know what's gonna be crazy is having to repaint the header section twice once I do it, because I think I'm gonna get this car painted before I actually, you know, really start digging and dealing with this header. But like I said, whatever. Like, this is the worst part on this side over here. The corner, like, which I guess is real common, these corners rot out. But it's, like I said, it's pretty solid the rest of the way down. This is all just surface. I actually did the passenger side, replaced everything on it already. I need to finish cleaning this up, put the seal across it. And then, like I said, it's all, got a lot of it done correctly, so I'm gonna just do it again, man, and down the line, like I said, put that header panel in. But that's just not something I'm in a big hurry to do, because I wanna dry this car. I know it's cold right now and all the shops are busy, so I'm just gonna wait probably another year or so before I really dig into the header and getting it fixed, because I gotta find a reputable shop. In the comments, let me know if y'all know in the Oklahoma area any reputable body shops. I don't really know any, but I'll show y'all some of the other upgrades I've done on this car. Updates, I haven't showed anyone. Y'all seen yesterday's video. I was hooking up the radio. We got the radio fully installed, but I gotta take it back out because it resets every time, because I need to find a retained accessory power for it to where I can keep my clock and everything else. And I replaced this dash cover. I seen on the 87 SS Boys channel where he put one of these on. I got it from Dixie Restoration, and it actually looks really, really good. On mine, pardon the airplane noise, but on mine, I didn't, you can see, get it glued down very well. There's airplanes flying over. I didn't get it glued down very well, but it's in there, so you know, we'll get the guys from Eagle One to give me some of that windshield urethane, and we'll really get it stuck down where it looks like it came that way. Do a little trimming on it. You know, we got a new glove box door from Dixie Restoration as well. And I'll show y'all the entire T-top trim is all brand new. B-pillar trims, like I said, these are new. Only trims now I think that we gotta get to replace are gonna be the A-pillars and the trims in the back seats, which I seen them on Dixie Restoration. I called them. They actually don't make them for a T-top, but he did say I could cut the hole out and they should fit, and I could stick the factory light bezels in there, because they don't remake the lights. So that's another deal. You see LEDs all in. Let me see if I can flip this over. We replaced trim on this T-tops and the seals. So the car is coming along pretty well. It's a lot further along than I thought that it would be. I also got the trim repaneled, repadded in the trunk. So that section is done. Done a whole lot, man. I found some new Chevy center caps from Amazon, which is pretty crazy. The wiring is all cleaned up, man. I've been wrapping up some of my, show y'all that, man. Wrapping up some of the wiring in my headlight harness, because it is all over the place. It's like I said, the guy I got this car from, he wasn't very mechanically inclined, so he just decided to start messing with stuff. All the wiring's been pretty much cleaned up on this little Blueprint 350, which, man, this thing actually, I mean, it does the trick. It runs. I mean, the car has really good power, And for the price of the engine built with a serpentine setup, you can't argue with that. Like I said, I cleaned up a bunch of the wiring, got them all taped off, out of the way on both sides. This side, I still need to do some more removing the butt connectors and get them soldered, but car's coming along really, really nice. I see it, man. I actually, on the tail of this thing, I should open the garage. It was kind of cold outside. I actually installed the little filler strip right here in the middle on the bumper. I'm trying to find a paint shop for it because I just want to paint it. Crazy thing, like I said, I'm gonna do it OG 85 SS Monte Carlo. But what another thing I want to do to it though is I want to do that diamond white that they put on the new Cadillacs, like on my wife's car. She has a CTS, a little bright outside, y'all can see it. It has that diamond white, you can see the pearl. It has that pearl color in it. I want to do the Monte Carlo, the exact same. So yeah, just working on that, man. Another little video for y'all, another little update on the Monte. I'm gonna check back in with y'all once I get all this cleaned up, sprayed out, sealed in, and show y'all the finished product, man. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. We back, man, checking in. I got everything masked off. Got everything shot with that rust preventative in there. Got the corners all shot. Everything there. Like I said, it's crazy because the actual track for the trim piece, the weather strip is still in there. So we're gonna get all this sprayed down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and install the new seal in it for now. And like I said, this is just temporary. This ain't a permanent fix. This is just for now, just so I can actually pull the tops off and ain't got rust and shit everywhere. Corner piece right here. I said I got the header over here in the box, right along with some other stuff I got, man. The actual header, it's right here in the box, right along with the rear floor pans. That's just, you know, like I said, the shop's is too busy right now, so I'm gonna just enjoy it while I can before I, you know, take it to a shop and it be in there for 2 years waiting on some floor pans and a header, because we all know how these shops are these days. But yeah, let me check back in with y'all once I get the seals in and the new metal pieces installed and we get it all put back together. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when it's back together. So I got it all finished up. New seal install, trim. I do got to install these seals on both, all the way around the front, but so there it is, finished product. We got to get the corner right here down. Got to put a screw in this end. But yeah, we got the seal fully installed, all the way up and down the door. That'll help us out while we driving it with all the noise before the end of the, before I get it into a body shop. Yeah, some of my trim's not lining up straight, but we'll get it all adjusted. Once again, man, thanks for watching another one of my little videos, man. So this is my minor repair on my T-top. So, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, man. See y'all in the next video.